this small studio decorated with memories from the past, it is the happiness the Music Institute of downtown Carrollton thrives upon that makes it so successful with the town's families. As a mother of 4 children who all attend the Music Institute, Shannon Murray has truly felt the way music has influenced her family.
I think just that one thing that Kristen realized with our youngest was that he actually wasn't really reading music. He was kind of just following the note patterns. And so the fact that she was able to pick that up and kind of we had to go back with him a little bit and make sure he could read his staff and things like that. And I think that kind of just shows that, you know, she's very talented in what she's doing and she realizes that it's kind of the whole kid.
Staff members inside the music shop know the value that music can play into family and realizes how hard it can be to manage it all.
For instance, we have one family that takes with 2 different piano teachers and they just have their lesson at the same time. So we really try to make it as easy as possible for families to come in here because we understand that with like 3 kids, wrangling all 3 kids in the lobby, one's in a lesson, the other 2 are screaming, you know. So we actually do offer, you know, lessons for families and things like that.
For Reed Schuler, I'm Tyler Center, reporting for the Gloria Shields Workshop.